How to place an order or buy a course on MedCrack Academy. Step 1. Open your browser and search for MedCrack Academy or directly visit www.medcrackacademy.com. Step 2. Once the website loads, navigate to the All Courses section. Use the filters to search for your desired product or course. Step 3. Click on Enroll Now button of the course you're interested in. Read the description of the course if you want to, then click on Take this course to proceed. Step 4. Check the product details, then click Add to Cart. You can view your cart by clicking the cart icon or selecting View Cart. Pro tip: if you have a coupon code, don't forget to apply it here to get a discount. Click Proceed to Checkout. Step 5. Proceed to Checkout. If you're not logged in on website, then log into your registered account on our website. If you're already logged in, then just follow the steps or just enter your details if you are a new user. After that, follow the steps, fill all details provided and place order. After then, complete your payment and check your email for further instructions. You can email us your details or ask any questions, all the details all provided. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel MedCrack Academy.